Welcome guys to How to Be channel. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use light dependent resistor as a sensor. I'm gonna show you how the code we can use to turn on and off according to the amount of light available. And also, I'm gonna show you how to simulate it in Proteus software. So let us start. Here we're going to create first of all the variable which will store our ports. Let's say lamp, where we connect our lamp, and the pin where the sensor will be connected. Let's say sensor pin, which is variable will store where we connect our sensor. Because our sensor is analog, we're supposed to connect that port on analog pin. So what we're supposed to declare in a variable in a global declaration is already done. So let us jump to void setup. So we're to prepare our pin, which is output. We use pin mode as I told you before. And then we put variable name and this set is output. So about the pin of sensor, because it is analog pin, there's no need of initialize it. But if we wish, we can initialize it, but there's no need of. So in our sensor, we will see amount of light, and when the lamp is on, it will be displayed in our serial monitor. So that's all. Let us move to void setup. So void loop. Here, first of all, we're going to create a variable which will store the light. Let's call it amount of light. You can call whatever you want. So it will be equal to analog pin, then which will sense the amount of variable. Then in serial monitor, we're going to display every changes of amount of lightness, which will be serial print in line. Inside the parentheses, we're going to put amount of light, and this we're going to make a condition which says that if amount of light is greater or equal to 400, the light should be turned on. So again, you're going to create another variable which named lightness. So we're gonna use map for breathing an object, so which will be mapping input and output. So this one will be holding light. This one should be input from 400 up to 1023, and the amount of light will be, you can start whatever you want up to 245. Now if this condition is full, the lamp should be turned on. Be high. And in our serial monitor, we will see the messages say that there is on. So otherwise, if the bright variable is beyond 400, the lamp should be turned off. In serial monitor, we see a message tell us lamp is off, LED is off. So guys, that's it. So it has moved to Proteus and breed, make a simulation. So open your Proteus software. Once it is ready, let's go find the Arduino board and also the sensor, LDR sensor. Is this one. And also we need LED. And also we need a serial monitor, which is visual terminal. So should be connected in this way. I think everyone is familiar to make these things. And our lamp is connected on 11 pin. Let us bring a ground lamp. And also here we need a ground supply. So our sensor is connected 080. So and again, so I think that's all we need. And also we need a resistance. It will be connected here. That's cool. Then let's start our file in this board. Then run. You see now lamp is on cause amount of available is greater than 400. So once we try to decrease amount of light the lamp should be turned off. You see, our lamp is off now. So guys, that's how we can use light dependent resistor for controlling some different load. So you see how it works. You can make a different range according to you. So let us end our lesson here. Right here. Let's plan to meet in the next session. So if it is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to your friends which did programming, because this lesson is somehow important for you for completing your different project. So see you in the next lesson.